Hello everyone, my name is May Tok. I am the founder of Simplifying Life. Pretty much, I help people to live sustainably, to save, and to have a better understanding of money. Are you wondering whether you should be doing better your money course? Here's some questions to help you. Do you feel like you are earning money, but you don't know where all the money's gone? Or it may be that you are not very good with money. Or do you feel stuck or in debt? You know that you need to set goals in life, but you don't know how to get started. Well, if that's you, make sure you enroll in the course. Do you know anyone else that needs the course? Make sure you register via the link here below or up there. How would this work? For each module, I will send you 10 to 15 minutes video, which you can watch in your own time and in the comfort of your own home or even at work lunchtime. I will also send you a couple worksheets and a workbook so you can follow along to make that easier for you for learning. Saying all of this, do you know anyone else that might benefit from the course? Make sure you tell them about it. Now go and register and I'll see you at module 1. Bye!